Good day, students. So, our lesson is still on solving quadratic equations. But this time, let's focus on factoring. Okay, so this is a video guide for you to answer your activity involving solving quadratic equations by factoring. So, these are the steps in solving quadratic equations by factoring. Okay, first step is to transform the quadratic equation into a standard form. Okay, so when you say standard form, it should be written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Ayan. So, in this form. And second step, factor the quadratic expression. Okay? And then, third step is apply the zero product property. So, when we say zero product property, alright? So, yung factor, i-equal mo siya into 0. So, let's say, kukunin mo yung factor na x plus 2 and then equate mo siya into 0. And then of course, lastly is to solve for x. Ayan. So I will illustrate how you are going to answer your activity 1 in your module, solving quadratic equations by factoring. Okay. So, in your activity 1, the quadratic equation is already in factored form. Ayan. So, meron ka ng 2 factors given. So, therefore, in the steps, balik tayo sa steps. Nandito na tayo sa step 2. Nag-start siya sa step 2. So, therefore, ang i-apply mo na lang ay step 3 and step 4. Okay? So, how are you going to solve this? So, guys, sabi ng step 3, you are going to equate or apply the zero product property. Alright? So, since there are 2 factors here, ibig sabihin, you will be getting 2 answers for this problem. Okay, ayan. So, ang sinasabi nung step 3, ganito siya. Pag-equate mo siya sa 0. So, you copy the first factor. So, let's say b plus 4. And then, equate to 0 equals to 0. Ayan. So, equal mo siya sa 0. And then, go to step 4, which is solve for x. So, just simply solve for x or solve for the variable given. So, dito, ang variable given natin ay b. So, dapat, yung b, yun lang ang may iwan sa left side mo. So, dapat matatanggal lahat ng katabi niya. So, paano natin tatanggalin yung plus 4? O, gaya ng mga nasa discussions natin last time. Yes, so you're going to use the equality, property of equality. So, since this is plus 4, use its opposite. So, ang gagamitin mo ay minus 4. Siyempre, both sides yan. Okay? So, this becomes 0. So, therefore, the first value of b is equals to, what is 0 minus 4? That is negative 4. Okay? Yan yung first factor mo. Now, go to your second factor, which is b plus 5. Equate to 0. Ayan. So, same procedure dito. Dapat maiwan lang si b sa left side. So, tatanggalin mo si 5. So, positive 5. Gamitin mo yung opposite niya para mag-0. So, minus 5, both sides. 0 minus 5. So, b, this becomes 0 again, equals to negative 5. Okay? So, The values of b here would be negative 4 and negative 5. Ayan. So, ang dali lang, di ba? Next, example. We have the binomial 3y plus 4 times the binomial 2y minus 4 equals to 0. So, solve for y. Naman tayo dito since the variable is y. So, same procedure. Since naka-factor na siya, go to step 3, which is apply the zero product property. So, just copy first your first factor, equate to 0, then solve for y. Okay. So, in here, ganun pa rin, same procedure, tanggalin ang mga katabi. Dapat ang may iwan lang sa left ay yung variable or yung letter. So, anong una nating tatanggalin dito? Yes, unahin lagi yung addition, subtraction before you go to multiplication or division. So, tanggalin muna natin si 4. So, 3y plus 4 plus yan para mag-0 minus 4 equals to 0 minus 4. So, ito magiging 0 na siya. So, ang naiwan dito sa left side ay yung 3y equals to, what is 0 minus 4? Negative 4. Ayan. So, dito, mayroon pang kasamang 3 yung y natin. Anong gagawin? Yes, so, divide by 3. Ayan. So, yung 3 mag-cancel. Naiwan na lang yung y. So, therefore, dito ko na lang ilagay. So, y is equals to negative 4 over 3. Okay. That is the first value of your y using the first factor. Now, let's go to the second factor, which is 2y minus 4. Again, equate to 0. Alright? Then, remove all the terms beside y. Okay, so dito, tanggalin muna si negative 4. So, negative 4 yan. So, opposite, plus 4. Okay? 0 plus 4. Yan. So, this becomes 0. So, naiwan is 2y equals to 0 plus 4. That is 4. Again, may kasama pa si y na 2. So, divide both sides by 2. So, this becomes 1. Ang naiwan na lang ay y equals to 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, therefore, the values of y here are negative 4/3 and positive 2. Okay? So, ganun ang gagawin ninyo sa activity 1. Okay.